Hello, today I will show you how to open the device and what are the options for upgrading the device. First, it is necessary to unscrew 4 screws. Carefully remove the bottom cover of the device, under which is motherboard. Memory. Be careful when you remove the screws from SSD drive, they can fall on the motherboard which is connected to the battery and the motherboard can be destroyed. SSD drive. In a comment on a similar video, someone complained that I didn't show how to replace the battery. I don't think it's really necessary, but just to keep everyone happy, unscrew the 5 screws, remove the battery, and that's it. You can find additional details of the device in the video description. The device can be upgraded with one M.2 SSD drive and 2 DDR4 memory. Battery. Charger. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.